ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಯೆಟ್ರಿ ಟು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಗತಿಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಪಾಠಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪೊಯೆಟ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things, and though I can't see him pass, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear, wherever he may be. Abby Farewell Brown. Listening text. Friends Krishna and Sudama. Lord Krishna and Sudama were childhood friends who had been at Sandeepani's Gurukula as boys. As time passed, the friends went their separate ways. Sudama and his family lived in utter poverty. One day, Sudama's wife said, "Why don't you go and meet Krishna, Lord of Dwaraka? He will surely help you if he loves you as a friend." Sudama felt bad at the thought of asking Krishna for help, but he decided to go as he wanted to meet his beloved friend. He wanted to carry some small gift for Krishna. So his wife gave him a small bundle of poha, beaten rice or avalaki, and Sudama set off on his journey. After a tiring journey, Sudama reached Krishna's palace. He waited before he went in as he was not sure if Krishna would remember him. Just then Krishna rushed forward and hugged Sudama. He washed Sudama's feet with his own hands. People were surprised and wondered who Krishna's poor guest was. They chatted happily about their childhood days. Krishna teased Sudama, saying, "What present have you brought for me?" When Sudama was a little shy to give him a bundle of poha, Krishna said, "The gift that you bring with such love means more to me than the most expensive gift in the world." Thus saying, he pulled out the little bundle of Sudama's hands and opened it. "Oh, it's poha, my favorite food," he said and started eating it with joy. Sudama spent the night at the palace and returned home the next morning. He realized that he did not ask Krishna for any help, but was very happy at the treatment he had been given. But what was he going to tell his wife? Sudama was in for a surprise. As he neared his house, he saw that his old hut was transformed into a beautiful big house. His wife and children came out to welcome him, dressed in fine clothes. It was then that Sudama realized that all this wealth was because of Lord Krishna and the friendship they shared. Hard work. Work hard to acquire knowledge, skills and wisdom. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.